Bike and Build is supporting Epicenter's Critical Home Repair Project. It's a project that takes place in Green River, Utah. It's aimed at providing the upfront cost to do home repairs for low-income and elderly individuals in our community. A recent housing survey of Green River identified that 46% of the houses here are dilapidated. And so this project is aimed at improving the housing stock in Green River. And with so many elderly and individuals who qualify for this program here in Green River, this project can be a forerunner in providing affordable housing and improving the housing stock in our community.
Boy, I'm very, very thankful for it, that they are here and helping. There's just no way that I can express it. It's great to be able to see people helping those that are at this point not able to do what they used to do.
Bike and Build funding to this project is invaluable. Without the funding, the project wouldn't exist. There'd be no upfront money to upfront the cost of the repairs that we do, and to administer the microloan revolving loan funds that we administer through this program.